Good evening, everyone. At the end of 2 days of continuous discussions, keynote speech, plenary sessions, panel discussions, and parallel tracks for paper presentations, it is time to come to conclude that with the appropriate event called the valedictory for the same. So, on that note, we have Dr. Ishwaran Iyer, Dean of Commerce, who has kindly consented to grace the occasion and be the chief guest for this event. It will be very hard for me to give Sir's profile, although I have something in my hand right here. For the kind of work he has done, whether it is in the university or when Jain institution was in the status of a college, or before that when he was in industry, both in India and abroad. So, I'm going to just request Sir to kindly address the gathering.
Dr. Vasu, Mr. Subramaniam, Professor Lakshmi Narayan, Dr. Usha Matthews, members from the teaching fraternity, colleagues from MTC, demography, sorry. The thought was, I think, the credit goes to Mr. Subramaniam and Dr. Vasu, along with Professor Lakshmi Narayan and Matthews. I think they were the people who were thinking that we should do something, especially to the teachers and to the students, an activity which could at least give them an exposure to understand what is going to be future. Yes, we all speak about a young India. We speak about, country having a population of people who are in the average age group of 25, 29 or 30 years. But then I personally would like to share my own experience. In fact, I was born in India when India was called as a backward country. People used to tell India is a country of snake charmers and farmers. That's what as a child I had seen. Then of course we could see the green revolution in the 70s, where we became self-sufficient on agriculture front. I think Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister who had thought of taking India to the next level. We saw the nationalization of banks in 1969, where they felt that yes, banking needs should go to each and everyone in our country. That was the background of India, what we were thinking, and I said we saw two wars. And again with Pakistan in 71, where India literally broke. 2 times getting food also was very difficult. I remember in 64, 65, we also had, the great America telling that yes, we'll give you aid, and they gave us red American wheat, which they used to give it to horses. And that's what we have eaten as a child. I'm just telling you with that because most of you are youngsters, you would not have known how our country's background was or what we are today. But what I want to emphasize is, in all this era, education played a very important role. I still remember when we were in 70s, you had to pay 15,000-20,000 rupees and wait for almost 10 to 15 years for a telephone connection. Telegram was the fastest mode of communication. And there used to be instances where a person's cremation would have got over and the telegram would have reached telling that man is dead. That was how communication used to happen in our country. But today it's not like that. 20 years waiting period has come to 20 minutes. You get a mobile connection, 20 minutes you can communicate, anything happening in the world you are able to know. And again I still tell, when I was a student, when I wanted to do an MBA course, we couldn't afford a full-time education, so we had to go for a education where you could do with a job. And there also, anything happening in the global world just used to come in Times of India as a part of a paragraph. And Reuters used to be the agency which used to tell this is what is happening in the global world. Today you have what is happening in US, what is happening in UK. Everywhere if you see, technology has played a very important role. I was fortunate to attend the last session where people were telling about what is technology and how relevant it is. Yes, I started learning computer when I was 40 years. But today a boy who is in the womb of a mother knows what is happening outside the world because mother would be browsing the mobile phone or chatting. That's how technology has brought in provenance. So from the Gurukula system, where you had gurus teaching you under the sky, through a board where teachers used to teach calculation or a face-to-face learning, today learning has changed, and we are getting, with tabs you can find and do what has to be learned today. So everywhere, if you see, education has played a very important role. So we from Jain University, in fact, we should thank our chairman, who always is a visionary, I call him, because when I joined the Jain group around 14, 15 years ago, he just came with a concept and told, come out with some courses where the student could be kept busy. He says, yes, they come for 3 hours or 4 hours in commerce. Of course, science and engineering definitely had 6 to 8 hours of college, but commerce not more than 3 to 4 hours. He used to say, why don't you go and come out with some courses? I was basically an industry man joining academics. So we all, I think Vasu would be a witness for that, where he used to tell us, come out with some value-based education or need-based education or value-added programs. Today the world is talking about skill-based programs, which our chairman thought 20 years ago. Those days it was Greek and writing for all my faculties. They used to think, what is this, what you are doing? But somewhere the teaching fraternity got adapted to it. They said, yes, we also should upgrade. And today if you see most of the faculties, whichever college or whichever university they are from, they are ready to upgrade. And that is the reason today we see whether you are going to have, whether India was a backward country, whether India was a developing country, or whether we had a green economy or an agriculture economy, whether we had wars, whether there has been scams in our country, we always have sustained. And we have been always trying to see that India has always shown a positive trend and positive growth, because parents are interested in educating the children, and teachers have played a very important role, and they have sacrificed for the student fraternity. And perhaps that is the reason, right from the Gurukula education to the modern education what we have, always there has been respect for teachers, and students have been respecting the teachers, and teachers have been upgrading of themselves for doing it. So this event, what has happened in the last 2 days, definitely would have brought all the teachers and the students some changes, what is going to happen in future. I think there have been instances when I think Vasu shared with me yesterday, where one of the panelists had spoken about Finland, where a speaker also is a PG. That should not happen in our country. Definitely it won't happen. We'll definitely see that the teachers like you will groom the students, because teachers are the next where most of the students look at or bank upon to see that they try to achieve what they want to be a successful professional. I would again thank Professor Lakshmi Narayan and his entire team to have taken out time to, especially the iNurture team I would call, who have taken out time to see that they could identify the panelists, they could identify speakers, who could take out, and I think who's who in the corporate world was a part of the panel discussion, and they have been able to share their experiences. Professor Subramaniam himself, a classic example of energy, a person who can speak anything under the sky and anything in banking. If you ask, I think from ledger banking with ledger books to computerized banking, or you can call it as the e-banking. I think he's able to share his experiences. So I think I would place on record my sincere thanks, sir, for this. Vasu and the entire team of the Commerce Department, who I think I should share this, because even at 11 o'clock in the night I have seen Madhavi sending texts to all the team saying that, sir, we should do this, we should not do this, we should do that, and some were sharing on ideas. And of course, all the participants from other colleges, other universities, and also students who took 2 days time and who have been here, and I'm sure that like this we'll be trying to do. I think one small example I wanted to share about my chairman. About 2 years ago he said, look, a time will come when we will have teachers who will be an expert, one teacher in ideation, one teacher in creativity, one teacher will speak only about analytics, like Vinod. Anything about analytics you tell him, he'll be able to do. Or Professor Matthews related to branding, or something about accounts. He says yes, the time will come when we all will become experts into some areas of education, and they will have their own value in the market. And that is what we are seeing now. And with technology coming, maybe all your profiles and all your capabilities could be shared, and people would be able to take the best out of you all. Teachers, it's my request that you please keep on upgrading yourself. because unless and until you upgrade yourself, the students will not get the benefit. So please try to attend as and when you have time events like this, which will definitely help you in knowing more and much better. And people with experience, if they share their wisdom, definitely what inputs you gather, it will help you to give it back to the student fraternity. I personally thank our chairman. He couldn't come because of some other reasons, but perhaps if he also would have been a part of this event, some more inputs he also would have given. Last, I would like to conclude. I remember when you used to see movies, there used to be only one thing: Raghukulari Sada Chali Aayi, Pran Jaye Par Vachan Na Jaye. That was the theme of the movies till the 70s. Then the 70s brought a theme till Kasam Paida Karne Wale Ki. And now 2000 has come and it says, मैं खुद एक बार कमिटमेंट अगर खुद को दिया तो मैं खुद का भी नहीं सुनता हूँ. That's what has 2000 brought. So things will keep on changing like this, but then we also need to adapt according to time and situation. I thank you all of you for being a part of this and keep updating yourself. We are there with you. Thank you very much.